Welcome to a demonstration of AB Office and what it can do for your beverage bottling industry. Let's say that you produce club soda in 2-liter bottles and sell them by the pallet consisting of 1,152 pieces or bottles. You need to assemble the various items needed to produce this finished product. First, you need to open inventory and then the items. Select your item. Check for assembling, and then select the component list. You only need to create this component list for new products. In order to produce this product, you need to pull 1,152 bottles and caps from the inventory. Then you need to add another component of sodium chloride at 23.04 kilos. Now you can add the potassium chloride at 23.04 kilos as well. And finally, you need to add water at 2.34 cubic meters of water. You now have all the items needed to produce 1,152 bottles of club soda. So let's create a sales order for customer number 1 for 120 pallets. Select the sales order, select the items, key in the net price of $500. And also let's add the pallets required to ship this product at 120 for a net price of $15 each. Then we need to go through the process, and let's call it manufacturing. In this process, we need to add machinery and time. So you select one bottling machine, and now you want to input the dates from and to that this process will take. Notice the pop-up calendar, which will allow you to select the dates quickly and efficiently. Now we need to review the schedule just to make sure that we can produce this product when we want to. Select schedule. Select the dates that you want the schedule for. Run. And as you can see, this is the time that's been booked. If you need to change that, it's very simple. You can just clear the dates and fill in the dates, your new dates on the calendar. It can be easily manipulated to suit your factory schedule by changing the dates. Just clear the current fields and fill in the new ones. And now we are ready to generate purchase orders by going to the advanced feature, Create Purchase Orders by Components. The system will generate purchase orders automatically based on historical precedent. What this means is that the system will suggest a vendor and quantity. This is based on the system checking for the best price, that is the lowest price, from purchase order history, as well as calculating what you need based on your inventory status. You can accept or change vendors and quantity and price. Now let's check all the purchase orders. We need to select them and lock them in order to make them available for the receiving documents. In this system, all of this is linked automatically. So once we start receiving the document, you can just simply go to the purchase order, select all, and the receiving slip will show you what the purchase order was for. In case of a short shipment, you can create an application for credit right on the spot. The status will show you what has been ordered and what has been received for each purchase order. You can select different warehouses so the items can be stored or accounted for in different buildings or floor spaces if required. Product can be transferred from one warehouse to another warehouse. You need to lock or save each of the receiving slips so that they are available for further processing. But you can unlock the documents if you need them at any time. Okay, now that we have received all the product, we are ready to create a production ticket or list. Go to Inventory, go to Select Assembly, and select Production List. Select the items. Key in the quantity. You only need to do this for a new product. You create the component list and the system will retain it for future use. Once production is completed, we can create the delivery slip. Remember that all of this is linked, so you can select the items either individually or select all. Key in the quantity. And you can lock the delivery slip. Okay, and now you can go to the most important part of this whole process, which is to bill the customer. As you see, you can make changes very quickly and easily to the invoice. Lock the invoice, and voila, the customer is billed. Transactions have been generated to record the sales and accounts receivable for your general ledger. Total time spent on this process is less than 5 minutes.